When the clouds gather, heavy and grey, the earth below sighs, yearning for the rain's embrace. In droplets that dance on leaves and stone, the world is washed clean, every crack, every bone. The first drop falls, a kiss from the sky. The parched land welcomes it with a quiet sigh. Each drop that follows, a note in a song, a melody that whispers, "You've waited so long." The air grows sweet with the scent of the earth as the rain brings life, a quiet rebirth. The dust is settled, the heat is cooled. In the arms of the rain, nature is schooled. The rain pours down, relentless yet kind, cleansing the past, leaving no trace behind. Every droplet a chance, every puddle a start, washing away sorrow, healing the heart. And as the storm retreats, the sun peeks through, the world is renewed, vibrant and new. The leaves glisten, kissed by the rain. The sky, once grey, is bright again. Just as the rain refreshes the day, new beginnings arise in a similar way. The past washed away, the future so clear. In the wake of the storm, there's nothing to fear, for every ending is a new beginning in disguise, like the sun that returns to the brightening skies. The rain may fall, but it brings forth the dawn, and with each new day, life carries on.